Hi there, folks. It's Jonathan Denwood from WP-Tonic, and in this video, I'm going to be discussing you're looking to build a masterclass connected to your membership website, membership business. And you're looking at the different options, the mechanics, the platform, just insights. I think I've got some great information to give to you. We'll be going through the steps on building your first masterclass. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. Coming back, folks. So you're looking to build your first masterclass connected to your membership website. What are some of the ideas and things that you really need to know? Well, first of all, I've written a really great detailed article about this subject that will go into even more detail than this video, and you'll find the link in the video description underneath. So let's go straight into it. So there's many ways to approach what a masterclass is, but one of the most effective ways that we have found advising all the type of different individuals and organizations that are looking to build a masterclass is to look at it as a step, an added value element to an existing course. And what I mean by that is that you might have a course aimed at beginners to intermediates, and this will probably really emphasize on the intermediate to the maybe advanced level course or courses, is that people in the intermediate to advanced will pay extra to have more access to you, the chief instructor, or a group of instructors that can offer more one-to-one or group coaching and mentorship. So this can really apply really well if you have an established figurehead and you have sub-instructors and you're going to do a group masterclass, which is an added element to the purchase of an intermediate level course. Also, you could add it as, let's say, the first 20 to 50 people that sign up will have access to this masterclass. And this can be a webinar situation where you have an additional syllabus that bolts onto the intermediate, or it could be a question and answer, or it could be both, or it can be other elements. And you can do this masterclass group access through software like Zoom. And if you're utilizing WordPress, which we highly advise you, you can embed the group login and the time, the scheduler on your WordPress website. Like I say, Zoom is a popular platform to do these group masterminds utilizing their technology, but it's not the sole option for you. I don't want to overemphasize this, but there are some security concerns about utilizing Zoom. You can do your own Google search to find out more information about that. So if your masterclasses are dealing with slightly information that you wouldn't want any chance to have access to, there are some more secure open source options which we offer through WP-Tonic as well. And there's a couple cloud-based solutions that utilize browser technology rather than you having to download an app like Zoom to do your group mastermind classes. Then you've got the whole area of marketing, email marketing, the best platforms. In the article, I've got more information about that and some key points about how you structure your mastermind. I would say that people, to some extent, after you've written out an effective intermediate course and you've got feedback from it and you have modified the intermediate course based on the initial feedback, you're in a really good scenario and looking to utilize webinar software like Zoom, or you could utilize something like StreamYard. StreamYard enables you to record a webinar, a group meeting, store it in the cloud, and they offer the ability to display that on your website, especially easy if you're utilizing a WordPress. Having access to these masterminds through courses are really easy when you're utilizing a platform like Lifter LMS as your main organizer hub of all your courses. It's quite easy to integrate it. Like I say in this video, is about giving you some ideas about what a masterclass, what you could offer in it, and how you market it and offer extra value to your students. Hopefully you found this really useful. If you do, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'm publishing more of these videos daily, weekly, and monthly. It's a great free resource covering all subjects about membership, associations, non-profits. They're the kind of clients that we help on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.